Come with me to Universal Studios Japan. We just got our tickets from Klook for 3,700 pesos, but you can use my code and click the link in my bio to get discounts on Klook. And be sure to save this video para may guide kayo when you visit Universal Studios Japan. Second time ko na actually mag-USJ, but I'm just as excited as before. 7 AM pa lang nakapila na kami, and as expected, sobrang daming tao kahit Wednesday kami pumunta. Don't worry kasi organized naman sila. By 8 AM nakapasok na kami, so 1 hour kaming nakapila. Regular studio pass lang kinuha namin, so wala kaming any special entry or express pass. But if you're early, usually nagpapapasok na sila sa Super Nintendo World for free. Kaya heto, lakad takbo kami papuntang Super Nintendo World. Luckily, pinapasok naman kami, and as expected, sobrang daming tao. Lahat ata ng guests sa park dumiretso na dito. Pinilahan namin agad itong Donkey Kong ride, which was a big mistake kasi 3 hours and 30 minutes namin itong pinilahan. Good thing may baon akong food. Honestly, sobrang nasayang oras namin dito. My advice, punta lang kayo dito to take pictures, then alis na din. Okay naman yung rides, but it's mainly for young kids and definitely not worth the wait. By the time we left, ang haba na din ng waiting time sa ibang rides. Kaya in the end, naka 4 rides lang kami the entire day. Lista ko na din dito yung mga na-try namin with my ratings para may idea kayo. Pause to read na lang. The Flying Dinosaur in the Hollywood Dream is a must try if you're an adrenaline junkie like me. As in, mamamaos ka sa kakasigaw. I'd say unahin nyo ito habang maaga. The Flight of the Hippogriff, parang roller coaster lang din but a bit toned down pero still fun. The Donkey Kong was a no for me just because OA sa haba ng pila. Abangan nyo din pala if merong street performance ang USJ staff when you visit. Iba-iba kasi sila depending on the theme. Halloween Horror Nights ang performance nila when I was there, and ang galing ng staff, like tatakutin ka talaga nila. Overall, kahit naka 4 rides lang kami, I still had a great time. Just walking around USJ was a fun experience. So be sure to visit the different areas like Minion Park, New York, Amityville, and many more. Kasi every corner is a photo spot. You should also wear comfy shoes kasi you're gonna be walking or standing most of the time. Magdala din kayo ng snacks kasi super expensive ng food inside. And most importantly, bring a bottle of water. Madami namang refilling stations in the park. And once you're done and ready to go home, don't worry kasi kahit maraming tao at siksikan, convenient pa rin ang pag-commute mo kasi super organized sila dito. More Japan adventures coming soon, so do like and follow to stay updated. Yun lang. Okay, thanks, bye!